Good morning. It is time to leave Akumal, and we are now heading to Bacalar, Lake of the Seven Colors, and we have a rent-a-car for 1 month that we're going to be touring the Mayan ruins. So, as always, we're going to take you along. Okay, we're off to Bacalar.
And we have plenty of gas.
Plenty of gas, plenty of time. Okay, we're turning around and we're going into Muyil. There's supposedly some ruins in here that we're going to go check out, and we think it's something that might be kind of cool. So let's all go in and take a look.
There's nobody here. That's cool. That's great.
Yep. First bonus, nobody's here. Park in the shade. Okay, so we stopped here at Muyil, and that's how you pronounce it, Muyil. Muyil. Right. Okay, so we stopped here at Muyil on our way to Bacalar, and there's some ruins here that is really convenient right off Federal Highway 307, so we're going to go take a look. Let's go. This should be pretty quick. I don't think this is anything huge, but nevertheless, it's still an important archaeological find.
they're in good condition.
Yeah.
Except this big pile, unfortunately, got destroyed.
The original rocks are still there.
Right.
Plaza de la Entrada. The plaza is composed of 10 pyramid bases upon which temple structures were built. The constructions, with their high, narrow silhouettes, represent the earliest civic religious architecture of the Muyil settlement. In this plaza, Mayan leaders gathered together residents to observe important civic events, to participate in the cult-related ceremonies. 3 pyramidal bases are located in the northeast edge and near the western end of Sakabi 2. Toward the southern portion of this plaza are various low-sitting platforms over which Muyil residents built residential structures similar to the houses built today in traditional communities of the region. The residences were made from perishable materials such as wood and were roofed with guano palm leaves. And they were right. This is a quick one. Okay, so this is really nice because like Jeannie and I are the only people here. Actually, that's not true. We just got 2 more visitors, but that's it. 4 people, us 2 included.
That's really pretty. Keep the ground nice here.
They do. They keep it very clean.
I guess that's what your 50 pesos pays for.
Yeah, 50 pesos to get in here. Each. So, 100 pesos, $5. We're in this. It's really clean in here. 0 garbage.
And tranquil. Right?
Yep. Looks like there's more ruins over there.
Were their bathrooms clean?
Yeah, it was just a papalo.
What's that? A hole in the ground?
No, there was regular plumbing, but it was just an outdoor bathroom.
Oh, palapa, you mean?
Yeah, palapa. Palapa. There's a gunshot. No big deal. Hear them in the U.S. all the time.
Well, they're probably out in the jungle.
Okay.
This one's a nice one.
This is really nice. Found 2 more people, so there's 6 of us here, period. Okay, they got roped off, so there's no climbing this. All right, let's go take a walk around this thing.
You don't have to keep all that in there either. And when you come back out, make sure you do a still shot of it. They allow you to walk around this.
Yeah. Ah, there they are. The two birds. Okay, so this is definitely worth a stop. For 50 pesos each, we highly recommend coming to see this. It's pretty cool.
Until the next one.
Like Jeannie said, at least those bullets aren't whizzing by us.